Welcome back. In this video, we will see how we can add rows in between the data which is already populated. If there are data which is already populated, this is a sample data which is already populated. If I wanted to add additional rows, how do I add the rows in between this data? The first method is select the row and right click and click on insert. So right click on insert. The cursor will change to plus, right click and click on insert. You will see there is a new row which is added. You have added a new row. If one row is not enough and you wanted to add multiple rows, you need to repeat the operation again. Right click and click insert to add another row. Click on insert again to add one more row. So you need to repeat the operation to add multiple rows. If you wanted to undo the operation, Ctrl Z is the shortcut to undo the operation. Ctrl plus Z to undo whatever rows you have added. If I wanted to add the rows once again, I will select the row and click on insert. Now there is a new row which has been added. If I wanted to add multiple rows, there is a shortcut key. Ctrl plus Y is the shortcut key. Just press Ctrl and Y together. You will add multiple rows. If you notice, the rows are getting simply added if you press Ctrl and Y. If you press Ctrl and Z, you will undo whatever rows you have added. If I wanted to add the rows in between the data, I will select the rows and I wanted to have alternate rows to be blank rows. I will select the rows and select the rows and click on insert. You will see there is a new row which is a blank row which has been added for every alternate rows. Now I can add some text in the blank row. I can even enter some text in the blank row. For example, government, France. I will add some more text, bags, and enter low. In this way, you can fill the blank rows. I will enter some more text, mouse, CPU, and motherboard in the column C. I will add motherboard. Then I will also enter USB cable. This is just to enter some text in the blank rows which I wanted to populate. These are all government, and I will copy the same thing. And this is part of France data. Let me copy the France. This is how you will be able to add new rows when there is a data which is already populated, and you can fill the new rows with some more text which you wanted to update.